Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add a clickable link to your Instagram bio. For that purpose we open the Instagram application on our devices. From here we will click onto the profile icon onto the right button. From here, as you see, there is a button over here, edit profile. We will click on it. As the recently update of Instagram actually changed the link menu, add to link menu. So we will see what's the new update of it. From here, for example, we want to add a link, clickable link over here. For the purpose we click edit profile. As I said before, from here there is a option add link. As you see, we clicked on it, and from here, as you see, there is a two option, add external link or add Facebook link. We will click on add external link, and we will add, for example, if you have for example YouTube channel, we will put the YouTube channels redirecting link to there, for example Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and etc. What you have. Okay, let's click add external link. For example, we come and write our for example website, for example, like that, and we will write the title website, for example, or our website, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's click save. As you see, the link already added, and when we go back, turn back and save, from here, as you see, we have already one link added to under the bio. Okay, the Instagram actually allows us to put 5 clickable link into the bio. Okay, let's add more links. Okay, let's click edit again. From here, links, and for example, let's add our, for example, Facebook link to here, Facebook. Let's copy it. Okay, and let's add more. We have 5 opportunity. Okay, for example, Twitter. Okay, for example, LinkedIn, if you have LinkedIn. Okay, let's click save. Okay, we have one opportunity also. Okay, for example, let's add our TikTok account, for example. Okay, we cannot add more link. As you see, you can add up to 5 links to your bio. Okay, let's go back and click save, and let's see how it looks. Okay, as you see, the first link seem on the first stage, and others shows as 4 others. As you see, when we clicked on it, we will see every one of them. If we click on it, it will redirect us to the for example, to this website, for example, to Facebook, to Twitter, to LinkedIn, and to TikTok, and etc. Okay, and there is one thing I want to mention over here. For example, we don't want our website to seem on the first stage. We want, for example, our LinkedIn to seem in the first stage. Okay, let's reorder the links. Okay, let's click on it. For example, we take LinkedIn and okay, let's click, and after that, for example, I want my TikTok account to seem. Okay, let's click save, and let's go back and click save again. Okay, as you see, the linkedin.com DigiPath seems in the first place. Okay, that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, because it really motivates me to create a new content for you guys. Take care.